இது ஒரு Intellijoy அப்படின்ற ஒரு லேர்னிங் ஆப்பு.
H. Hamster.
Words. Connect the letters and hear the word they make.
Hat. Go ahead and find the letter H. Bravo. Again, go ahead and find the letter H. Nice. And once more, go ahead and find the letter H. Good work. Like words. Turn the cube to find the missing sound. Tap on the picture to hear its sound. Hat. Hat. Oh yeah.
Frog. Frog.
Beautiful. Leg.
ஸோ இது 3+ கிட்ஸ்க்கெல்லாம் இந்த ஆப்பு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். வீட்டிலே ஜாலியாக இந்த மாதிரி ஆப்லாம் இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணிவிட்டு படிக்கலாம்.
Leg. King. Chef. Jokester. Cowboy. Fireman. Pirate. You go. Correct. All right. Now I am ready to make my famous spaghetti. Animal. Go ahead and tap on a question mark. Some cats like milk. Some cats like fish. Excellent. What do dogs love to chew? Bones. Yes. What do you usually put in mousetraps? Cheese. Keep it up. What is the best food for pigeons? Breadcrumbs. Great job. What does the cow give? Milk. Way to go. Goats are known to give the most healthy milk. Good thinking. What do hens sit on? Eggs. Nice.
This poor monkey has a fever. I need to give him special medicine to make him feel better. the medicine from the bottle to the cup. Pour 10 milliliters. Pour the medicine from the bottle to the cup. Pour 10 milliliters. Thank you. Now place the cup on my tray.
இந்த ஆப் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. கண்டிப்பா போய் Play Storeல
Wow, thanks to you, I feel all better.
இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணி படிங்க குழந்தைங்களா.
This patient hurt his arm. I will treat him with yummy medicine. Pour the medicine from the bottle to the cup. Pour 20 milliliters. Thank you. Now place the cup on my tray. I am healed. Thanks. This little monkey injured her tail. Help me to give her the medicine that she needs. Pour the medicine from the bottle to the cup. Pour 30 milliliters. Thank you. Now place the cup on my tray. Thank you. I feel great now.
Press on the button to let me know how deep the fish are. Excellent! Let's catch another fish. Super! Let's catch one more fish. Super!
Oh no, I'm lost. I need to call Giraffe to ask her exact address. I'm driving, so please dial his number for me. 8 6 3 7 3 5 8. Hi, you've reached the Giraffe residence. I can't come to the phone right now. Please call back. Oh well, we'll have to ask someone when we get there.
ஸோ நீங்கள் படிச்சுட்டு ஒவ்வொரு தடவை கிடைக்கிற ப்ரைஸையும் இந்த மாதிரி இங்கே ப்ளேஸ் பண்ணலாம். தனியாக விளையாடலாம். ஸோ இதே மாதிரி ஒரு நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம் குழந்தைங்க.